Right. So I came across an interesting conference called Kicon in 2019, which, well, 2019 is going to be held in 2019. It's going to be held in April 2019 in Chicago. So Chris Gammel of Contextual Electronics and Analog LLC would be the host. He has created some awesome tutorials on Kicad. I've mostly learned Kicad through his guidance, and he's a really popular amongst the hobbyist crowd for making learning electronics contextual and fun. So Kicon 2019 would be focused on user side of Kicad. So there's a FOSDEM which is usually held every year, in which the development side, the software side of Kicad is presented, but this would be much more of a user side, so that's much more interesting for me. So Kicad is an open source EDA tool for PCB creation, and it's just as a background, what is Kicad? Kicad is an EDA tool for PCB creation and is in an active development with the help of CERN. Scientists, they need it for large hadron collider, so it's an awesome PCB tool. It's becoming an awesome PCB tool day by day, right? I'm really excited about it, and this would be held in mHub, so Chicago. Just like it's like a hacker space. It's like a co-working space, but it's much more cooler. So the facilities, they have the best in-class PCB assembly machines, 3D printers, the hardware, CNC machines, weldings, woodworkings, and mechanical enclosures, and much more at a single location, so which encourages innovation and collaboration amongst companies. So there a lot of companies work together, obviously. Yeah, so and strategically, so let's say the electronics guy needs a mechanical enclosure. The mechanical enclosure guy would be able to help you. So that's a really cool place to be in. But the best part of this Kicon 2019 is the topics that Chris came up as suggestions for the talk. Getting started with Python scripting, best practices for manufacturing, how to collaborate in Kicad, revision control for your next board, best practices in library management in a small business, fast 3D creation using Dash, so most probably FreeCAD or SolidWorks, building out tool chains for on-site board fabrication. BGA breakouts can be a breeze. How I used Kicad to build a business doing Dash. Gerber hacks. Your first pull request for the project. Compiling ain't hard. Artwork in Kicad. Deep cuts. What the hell is macro anyway? Deep cuts using the microwave toolbar. Alright, so this promises to be an awesome conference, at least for me. Here is the link to the conference for anyone who wants to participate /volunteer. CPS //kicad-kicon.com.